Someone buy me coffee, please. This is almost done. What's up? I'm Alfred, and this is your Saturday night drink. The start of this video is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be unboxing this REMY Martin I got for my birthday a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, this is what the elite gets for like $300. Nah, I'm just joking. This is the big boy right here. Yeah, it's very special, and yeah, shout out to wifey for getting it for me. And yeah, let's get this out of here. Let's go to our normal Saturday drink. This is not an elitism show. With that out of the way, we're gonna be making the Paloma and the cranberry smash tonight, and I'm very excited. So enough with the yammering, and let's get to mixing. Oh shit, I forgot my oh shit, I forgot my apron. Stop, bro. Oh shit, I forgot my apron. Alright. The Paloma. Yeah, this is another one of them island beachy type drinks. beach, sun, sand, beach, river. Alright, let's, as always, we start with ice. Wanna go 1 ounce tequila, 1 ounce grape juice, ½ ounce lemon juice, 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Then we're gonna go fill our glass with ice. As always, 3/4 ounce of club soda. That looks so good. I'm just gonna give it a quick stir. There you go, the beautiful Paloma. Oh, that's infinitely better. Yeah, I made this drink before. It called for 2 ounces of tequila. It was a little bit on the stronger side, so I changed it to 1 ounce and made it a lot more better. Yeah, not a bad drink. Hot summer day, or you're on the beach, and yeah, you can order this. Now let's make a cranberry smash. For this, you want to start with 1 ounce of simple syrup. Then you want to add lemon wedges to this. This calls for 6 cranberries, but I don't have cranberries right now and I have cranberry juice, so I'm just gonna make about, let's say, ½ ounce of cranberry juice. Then you want to muddle this together. And you want to come behind that with 1.5 ounces of whiskey. Follow that up with 2 dashes of bitters. Then you want to add ice to this fine mix here. Shake that up. That smells really good. It smells lemony. You want to strain that into your glass, but before that, we're gonna add our ice balls. Yeah, that's what you call this. We're gonna call it ice balls today. Balls of ice. And there you have it, the cranberry smash. The cranberry smash! Right? Really looks good. I'll give this I'll take this for a little whirl. Oh my god, that's really good. Ooh! Sorry. Give me a break. No corona here. It went down the wrong tube. You know how people say it went down the wrong tube, but there's only like 1 tube. But then I researched it and it makes sense. In all, it went down the wrong tube. There's 2 tubes. This is really good. I like this a lot. This is another one. This is a recommend for me. Like, definitely try this at home. It's really good. I feel like it'll be way better with cranberries, like real cranberries. So whenever I'm back in the store and I see cranberries, I'm gonna try this recipe again and see how it goes. There you have it. Another Saturday, another drink made. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Be sure to join me again next Saturday. We'll be making drinks and obviously drinking them. Tag your friends in this video and whatever video you like of mine. And yeah, thank you again for watching. Another Saturday, I'm bad at accents. Another Saturday, another drink made.